Hello, and welcome to a short training on Pear Deck. Today we'll be discussing different activities that you may use with Pear Deck. These activities will be incorporated into your Google Slides presentations, so please ensure that you are familiar with Google Slides before proceeding with the lesson. After this presentation, you will be creating your own lessons to present to your own students, whether it be online or face-to-face. If you have any questions throughout the lesson, please click pause, then send me an email. My email is located on the Pear Deck site I have created for you. So you may be wondering, what is Pear Deck and how can I use it in my classroom? Pear Deck is an add-on application you can use to incorporate various activities into your lessons. You can add your own text to ask questions, insert multiple choice questions, ask for a number value related answer, insert third-party sites for an extra slide lesson, add drawings or graphs, create draggable content, and insert audio files for students to listen to. You can even create your own flashcards for students to use. It also keeps your students engaged and allows you to check for understanding throughout the lesson. Before proceeding with the lesson, please make sure you have already created your Pear Deck account. If you have not done so, please click pause and resume when you are ready. In this video, I will be showing you how to use 6 different activities into your lessons. I will start off by showing you how to add text, then proceed with multiple choice, numbers, websites, drawings, and draggable content. I will also show you how to add audio files for students that prefer to hear the lessons or instructions read aloud. Now that you have created an account, I want you to go ahead and add the add-on. Go ahead and click on Add-on, Get Add-ons, wait for it to load, and then go ahead and look for Pear Deck and go ahead and click Install. Mine is already installed, so I'm going to go ahead and click Add-on, Pear Deck Add-on, and Open Add-ons. Mine is already uploaded over here on the right-hand side, so when you click it, it'll load up on the right. So when you go ahead and begin, you can start off by looking at various templates that they have provided for you. Click on the template library, and they have several options for you to go ahead and decide what you want to do at the beginning of the lesson, during the lessons, or at the end. And I like this because it also shows you different options to check on how the students are feeling. What did they think of the homework? It's got some very good options you should look at. But let's go ahead and begin with text. So on this first slide, it says, what do you notice about this picture? I want my students to go ahead and answer this question in their own words. So go ahead and click on text. And this is how it's going to look when you go ahead and click on it. It's going to show what students see on student devices and what they see on a projector if you're in your classroom. Update slide. And it should automatically insert the question. Please do not delete this bar on the very bottom side. Without this, your question is not going to be interactive. So now when this question pops up, or this slide, students get to answer in their own words. On this slide, I want to go ahead and insert choice. So put on your thinking caps based on the picture. What do you think we will be learning about? Go ahead and click on choice, and you can add multiple options for them to choose from. You can make it true or false, or add options. So I'm going to go ahead and put westward expansion. I'm just going to add 2 for now, and the American Revolution, and update it. Now that question has been made with choices. For the next slide, how many people do you think went westward? I want to go ahead and add a number, so students can enter whatever number they believe to be true, or to be their best guess. Once it loads and students see the slides, they can go ahead and enter whatever number it is. Remember, please do not delete the bar on the very bottom. Now we have westward expansion. For this one, I want to go ahead and add a website because I want students to see a video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on website, and it can be whatever link it is that you choose, and I'm going to use a YouTube link. So it's not always going to show your preview, but it could. Go ahead and click update slide, and now whenever you go to this slide, students will automatically be able to see that video. And you can go ahead and add a picture here just for decoration. Draw what you think life was like on the West Coast. This is where we can use our drawings. So go ahead and click on draw, and students can go ahead and draw whatever it is they want based on what they believe the life was like on the West Coast. Or you can add a different picture, draw what you saw today, or draw what you think they wore. It can be whatever question, as long as with your own picture for an example. For the next one, I'm going to use draggable. Put a blue dot for east and a red dot for west. I'm going to click on draggable, and of course you would type your own questions at the top for students to see. For this one, it's going to be dots, and I'm going to use a red dot. and I'm going to go ahead and add another one, and it's going to be blue, because that's what I told them to do. Drag the red dot, drag the blue dot, and you can of course change the size of the dots. Update slide. There are several options for you to use on Pear Deck. I suggest looking into all of them, but one very special one is also audio. So when you click audio to slide, you can actually record your own directions for students that have trouble reading, or let's say you just want them to have that second option. You can go ahead and record whatever audio it is, whether it be music, instructions, directions, it's up to you. But I highly suggest looking at the template library for more instructions. Now that you have the basics on how Pear Deck works, you may proceed with the individual activity that you will be completing. Please refer to our site for further instructions. Thank you and good luck!